Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top Sigma rules for success. These tips will help you stay focused and achieve your goals. We're talking next-level stuff here, strategies to unlock your full potential and become the best version of yourself. We're going to break down each rule, giving you actionable steps you can use right now. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. So let's get started.
You ever notice how the real players, the ones who are killing it, they don't waste time on pointless chatter? That's Sigma rule number 1. Don't talk a lot. It's about quality over quantity. Every word you say should have impact. When you do speak, people listen because they know it's going to be good. Think of it like this. You're in a video game, right? And you're laser focused on winning. You're not going to waste time trash talking your opponents. You're going to let your actions speak for themselves. It's the same in real life. Cut the noise, cut the distractions, and let your results do the talking. This doesn't mean you become some silent robot. It's about being mindful of your words. Choose them carefully, use them wisely. When you do speak, be present, be engaged. Listen more than you talk. Remember, true power comes from within. It's about self-control, discipline, and focus. So ditch the small talk and start making every word count.
Let's be real, we've all made mistakes. Dwelling on the past, replaying those failures in your head, that's like poison. It holds you back from achieving greatness. This is Sigma rule number 2. Don't look back. The past is gone. You can't change it. What you can change is right now. It's time to shift your focus to the present moment. What can you do today to move closer to your goals? Every second is a chance to learn, to grow, to become a better version of yourself. Think of it like this. You're driving a car, right? You're focused on the road ahead, not staring in the rearview mirror, because if you keep looking back, you're gonna crash. The same goes for life. Keep your eyes on the prize, on the future you're building. Learn from your mistakes, yeah, but don't let them define you. Embrace the now and crush it.
You ever see a lion hunting its prey? It's locked on, laser focus, nothing else matters. That's the kind of intensity you need to succeed. Sigma rule number 3. Stay focused on your goals. Define what you want, write it down, and make it your obsession. The world's full of distractions, shiny objects trying to pull you off course. Social media, negativity, people doubting your dreams. Tune it all out. Your goals are your priority, your North Star. Imagine you're climbing Mount Everest. It's tough, it's demanding, but you don't stop. You keep pushing. Why? Because the view from the top, that sense of accomplishment, that's your fuel. It's the same with your goals. Visualize yourself achieving them, feel that success, and let it drive you every single day. Stay focused, stay hungry, and you'll reach the summit.
Listen up, nobody's coming to save you. You want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. That's Sigma rule number 4. Be self-reliant. It's about taking control, being resourceful, and not relying on others for your success. This means developing your skills, learning new things, becoming a master of your craft. It's about having the confidence to trust your instincts, to make decisions and own the outcomes. Think of yourself like an entrepreneur building a business from the ground up. You're hustling, you're grinding, you're figuring it out as you go. You're not waiting for handouts, you're creating your own opportunities. That's the Sigma mindset. It's about empowerment, taking ownership, and forging your own path. Become your own hero, and watch how unstoppable you become.
Here's the truth. There's always someone out there working harder than you. They're hungry, they're dedicated, and they want what you want. Sigma rule number 5. Maintain a strong work ethic. It's about consistency, dedication, and putting in the hours. Success isn't some magic trick. It's about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. It's about pushing yourself beyond your limits, embracing the grind, and never settling for mediocrity. Imagine you're an athlete training for the Olympics. You're pushing your body to the max, day in and day out, because you know the competition is fierce. You can't afford to slack off. Every rep, every sprint, every drop of sweat counts. Life's no different. Embrace the challenge, put in the work, and watch the results speak for themselves. Outwork, out-hustle, and outshine the competition.
Thanks for watching. If you found these Sigma rules helpful, Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more success tips. Remember, becoming the best version of yourself is a journey. It takes dedication, it takes focus, but trust me, the rewards are worth it. So go out there, embrace the Sigma mindset and start crushing your goals. We believe in you. Keep hustling, keep growing, and we'll see you at the top.